Welcome back to the Smallwood Vintage Steam Rally. In this episode we have bikes and more bikes, we have vintage cars, we have a familiar yellow bus, and there's loads more, so stay tuned.
Hello.
How have you managed to end up with an American bus?
Imported from New York.
Really? So you had it flown over here?
Not flown, no, shipped.
Shipped?
Yeah.
Well, that cost a fortune. Gosh.
Cost more to ship it than it did to buy the bus.
Yeah. Oh, it's great. So do you use it for anything in particular? Just go out and about?
Camping. It's a camper van.
It's a great camper van, isn't it, that?
It's shortened it as well.
Yeah?
It was 4 foot longer at the back, but it was too heavy for my needs. I needed to be under 7.5 tons, so I cut 4 foot off it. Did a back panel back on.
How'd you manage just to cut it? Just cut it?
A grinder. Metalwork's my job, so that.
Oh right, that's okay then.
Replace it with a swing for kids.
I mean, it's such a well-known vehicle, though, isn't it? I mean, even though we're not American, we know what it is.
Well, they've not changed the body style since the 50s, really.
No.
All they ever changed is the bonnet. We've got some electric versions in America now, but I don't think I'd touch that.
No. So did you always want one of these then, or was it just no? Just
I've had some weird stuff. I've done fire engines, there's camper vans before now. I had 3 of them. I had Bedford before this, and then we had another kid, so I thought we need something bigger. So.
Well, yes. I mean, most people just go for a 4x4 or something, but yes.
Yeah, I wanted something I can get 5 beds. It'll sleep 7 now. So.
That's great. So you get to travel everywhere then.
We go to a lot of these sort of shows, and you get into a lot of events for nothing as well.
Yeah, so
Just as an exhibit.
It's a lot to run. Does it cost a lot to run? Yes.
10 to the gallon it does.
Oh my word.
There's one show we're going to in Hampshire, Carfest in Hampshire, and it's 300 quid in diesel from Wigan to Hampshire and back.
Oh my word.
I don't go to work and back in it every day.
No. But it is fab. It's great to see one, because we don't see them over here very often.
There's not many of it. It's getting them here that's the problem.
Yeah.
They're cheap in America. There's loads of them.
Yeah.
They've been using for 12 years and scrap them. So only 12 years old I bought it.
Wow. So how old is this then?
2003.
2003.
It's not that old really.
No, but it's.
But you wouldn't know. It could be anywhere from 1950 up to modern day.
You couldn't tell, could you? No.
I don't think they don't change them, do they?
No.
No, well.
You can roll them down a mountain and they're still in good nick because they're so strong. It's like steel floor, steel chassis, steel inner and outer skin, steel frame.
I'm surprised the windows ain't bulletproof.
Well, you can hit them with an axe, and they're laminated so they're not go through.
Well, yeah, I don't. Yeah, they wouldn't change you, would you, if you've got something that is perfect for its purpose? Yeah, you wouldn't, would you?
There's a video on the internet of a train hitting one.
Yes.
It doesn't even bend in the middle. It just pushes. Oh, stop signs still work. All the flashing lights and things.
Yeah.
About 7 ton now. Now it's converted, but when I got it as an empty bus, it was 7.5 ton.
7.5 ton of pure steel.
Yeah.
That's great. Thank you.
Look at the photos there, you can see where I cut off.
Oh, let's have a look, mate.
I lost half my photos because memory card went corrupt on my phone. But that was when I bought it. See that the big overhang?
Oh yes.
And then that's me with the roof section I cut out, and then cut this section out.
Yeah.
And then put the back panel back on. So that was it beforehand.
Yeah.
And that was it afterwards.
I mean, are these exempt from MOTs and things like that? No, you still have to have them.
Yeah. Taxed as a motor caravan, so it's
Oh right, yeah. So
215 quid.
Yeah.
And it's a 7.6 litre. And my works van's considerably more, and it's only a 2 litre.
Yeah. So do you use the horn? It's a speaker. It's a speaker.
To shout at school kids.
Oh.
That's what these mirrors are for. These mirrors, so you can see. If there's any kids
Oh, you can see kids in front. Yeah, of course.
You know exactly who you're smacking into.
Yeah. Well, then you can use the speaker to tell them. Because originally I had a tannoy system.
Yeah.
The switch, internal, external, so you can shout at the kids in the bus or outside the bus. I've took that out.
Really for the school bus. Great. Oh, thank you.
Do you want to go in?
Yeah, I'll be going. Yeah, I'll be going. Yeah.
We'll have a look over there in a minute. A bunch of dodges.
It's a bit lived in, but you know.
That's great. Thank you. Oh. Hi, everybody. So this is your camper van? It's amazing, isn't it? I bet you love going in this everywhere. Oh, so do you sleep up there then?
I normally sleep on the top bed.
Do you sleep on the top bed?
Yeah.
That's really amazing. Any little toilet?
Our old kitchen in our house.
Right. Your daddy's very clever.
Yeah.
That's amazing. What a great job he's done. Thank you.
It's international zone, but come in space.
And we've got a couple of decoys out of the cover here with scent in them. Now Lana has to sit steady while Ella goes for one. Off Ella goes. Now these dogs are all sent on a verbal command because this is called a mark, scene, retrieve. She brings back to hand. I've got a feeling Ella needs toilet. Yes, she does. But she got the dummy back before she did it. So she did her job. That was good.
Xander, what do you think they're selling?
No clue.
Oh. I don't know what it is.
Maybe they're selling like doormats or something.
Yeah, I don't know what they're selling, do you? There's no clues around, is there?
No, not really.
And what's a steam fair without bikes? I know Indians because obviously we've watched lots of programs on the TV, the American Indian ones. And who doesn't know Kawasaki and Honda? seen a car that colour.
Dodge as well.
Winona's Worm Farm, Georgia. You want them? We dig them.
Alabama jumpers, red wigglers, nightcrawlers.
You never know, there's so many different worms, would you?
No.
Amazing.
Now this is like my favourite Dodge.
Your favourite Dodge?
Yeah, like this particular model.
Yeah?
Just stunning.
Okay.
It's 34 years old. It was built by me.
By you?
Friend, yeah. It's all fiberglass.
Oh wow.
It's called a kit car.
Right.
Based on a Ford Cortina.
See, now I never would have thought that was a kit car. You know, I've seen other kit cars and they don't look like this.
No, it's there's not many of them around left now as well. It's quite special ones.
They are. They're amazing.
This one's a nice one next to you.
Oh, which is
mine.
Yeah, the Beetle.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you can't beat a Beetle, can you?
And it's a little bit rare because it's semi-automatic.
It's semi-automatic.
Yeah, so no clutch pedal, manual gear change, just drop off the revs, change gear, carry on.
Oh wow.
Yeah, 1970, 41,000 miles original.
Did they make a lot of ones like that?
All in all, VW made 600,000.
Yeah.
500 came to the UK and there's 16 left.
Really?
Yeah. So
Oh,
that's
I
a pretty rare thing.
So is that his original colour?
Yes, that's
Everything's
Clementine
original.
orange. That was only available 70 and 71.
Right. It is.
Factory sunroof, factory high back seats.
It's a really unusual colour though, isn't it?
Lovely, isn't it?
Yeah.
And it
is.
changes. It's like red some minutes and yellow the other minutes.
Yeah. It is a
goes
really nice
between.
colour.
Yeah. Clementine orange.
Clementine orange. I
She's
like
called
that.
Gina after
Gina.
Orangina.
Oh. Oh, that's great. Thank you.
That's another orange.
Oh, lovely. It's a beautiful car. And it's for sale. Ooh, pull it down a hole here. 1911 Ford. My word. That's amazing.
These brass cars.
Right.
Brass on them.
Yeah. Oh, they're beautiful. That's stunning.
See the spokes? The spokes are wood.
Oh yes, wooden spokes.
Spokes like a cart. And what you did is you took the wheel off, got the wheel onto the bolted it on.
That's amazing.
Model T.
Model T. Guys, we've just finished our trip to Smallwood Steam Fair. It was great. We had a great time. There's so many interesting people there as well to speak to, and some of the trucks and cars were amazing.
Steam engines.
The steam engines. Xander, favourite bit?
My favourite bit was probably looking at all the old bikes.
The old bikes, yeah. Is that Andy?
Steam engines.
Steam engines.
And tools.
And tools, of course, because there's loads of tools there to buy.
Old tools.
Old
Antique
tools. Antique, yeah,
All
okay.
three tools, didn't we?
Yeah, you did buy 3 little tools.
I got some items.
Yeah, you did. I didn't buy anything. I was just happy to speak to people and film everything. Xander bought himself a hat. Yeah. So yeehaw, cowboy hat. And we're going to go home now. I'm going to upload this video. I'm going to have a nice glass of wine tonight. And,
That's what you're saving your money for, isn't it?
And a nice cold beer.
Yeah, a nice cold beer for you. And thanks for watching again, and I'll see you back in the studio. Bye! Bye!
Hi everybody and welcome back to my little studio. We've been to Smallwood Vintage Steam Rally today and it was a lovely day, amazingly, after all the bad weather we've had. And it was a fun time. I'm shattered. There was a lot to see. It was great for lots of families there. It was very busy, lots of people there because it's a bank holiday again. So obviously there's going to be a lot of people there. It's the actual steam engines were actually quite beautiful. I mean, I never thought I'd really appreciate a steam engine, but I certainly did. I thought they were beautiful. Also, I mean, the vintage cars were stunning. There were some really lovely cars and some lovely colours as well, the cars there. My favourites, I loved the American school bus. I thought that was great. And I loved the gentleman with the Scouts, with the Scout truck. I thought he was fascinating. And what history there was there today. There was so much history. And it's still very beautiful as well, even though it's historic. And I mean, the trucks even were great, and the tanks, and people were very friendly. They spoke to us and we all had a really good time, and I'm just grateful that I get the opportunity to go these places, and I hope that people like you at home appreciate them too, and we'll go and visit them perhaps next year, and just enjoy the day out. There was so much to see, so much to do, and I couldn't actually cover probably all of it that's there. And the stalls, there was hundreds of different people selling lots and lots of things, from antique tools to sweets and chocolates to alcohol tents. There was all sorts there. There was a fairground too, so the kids could spend your money. There's loads of that there, and we just had a thoroughly good time. So I'm really pleased that we went to this one. So again, thank you for watching. We love your company. If you follow us and watch our videos, it just makes it all worthwhile that we do them for not just ourselves, but for you too, to enjoy, and sort of if you can't get to these places, you could live vicariously through us. So thank you very much again for watching. We will see you on the next video. Don't know where we are yet. It'll be a total surprise. Thank you. Bye.